I bought flax milk.
Because he's dangerous and exciting.
Mmm, flaxy. Hi, I'm
Hello,
Connor.
cameras. Hi, I am Lauren.
And we're doing the Taste Olympics.
Yep.
So today, on our taste adventure of roommates tasting different things, we are going to do milk imposters.
Ooh, I'm so scared.
These
There's an
days,
imposter of food.
there's a whole bunch of alternatives on the market besides cow milk.
Because cow milk makes people too.
Flax milk. Tasted it. It was actually
Oh my god, it's so good.
pretty good. And we're going to taste it again and rank it with other things. But we have altogether today 7 different milk alternatives that we're going to try because I never have, always been curious.
We are ranking things on a scale of 1 to 10, and we have 3 categories. So our first category is presentation. Does it look like milk? Does it smell like milk? I can't smell because I have a sinus infection, but I'm going to do my best. The second category here is taste. Does it taste like milk? Probably not, but that's kind of what we're here for. And then overall milkiness, how does it compare to cow milk? Will it make you miserable the way cow milk will? Will it make you atrociously gassy? Who knows? We're taking the bullet for you guys.
Let's start off with flax milk.
Cheers, pal.
So as I first said when I tried this is the only one we've tried before. It's sort of like horchata. How do you really say it?
Horchata?
Horchata.
Horchata.
That the ice has melted into. It's kind of watery.
It's so good.
But it's alright. It doesn't have any chalky aftertaste.
It's so light. It doesn't, like, the only aftertaste it has is like
opaque like milk is.
Slight oatmeal. And it's just like, oh, it's so
alright.
good. It's not like
And
it doesn't make you like.
It is a little
flaky.
vanilla. Yes. When possible, because I like sugar and flavor, I try to get the vanilla versions rather than just plain.
Overall milkiness. When I think about overall milkiness, I think, does it belong in cereal or not?
Right. Final scores. Flax milk.
I really like it. I think it's
2
tasty.
9s and a 10. I give it 7s across the board.
Someone's got standards.
Alright.
What's next,
That's
Coach?
clear. I don't know. Reach behind you. Pluck one.
Ooh, Russian roulette, but with milk substitutes.
It's a mystery.
Hey!
Some water.
Hey! Okay, so next up. Ooh. Ooh.
Soy milk.
Ooh. So this is soy milk, I
Protein.
believe. Let me tell you how they make this. So first you get the soy, and the soy is from edamame.
You milk
You take edamame beans and you get the plant, and then you milk it, put it into a cup, and straight from the farm. It's completely.
Hello, we have a new person, I think. We're tasting milk
What's up, Robin?
alternatives.
Right, we're tasting soy milk to see if it's gonna give us diarrhea or not. Cheers, pals. Oh, okay, this one's kind of yellow. It's a lot more yellow than the last one.
Interesting.
That's because it's
Now
from
we're
the
going in
beans.
blind.
Going
Alright,
in
presentation.
blind. She's
It
like,
does not really have a scent.
she kind of looks.
It's weird.
Does it, or do you just have a sinus infection now too?
It smells very faintly of like baby powder.
Well, I can't really taste it
It's a
at all.
little thicker.
Yeah.
That one actually reminds me
Does it taste like
more
stuff? Or am I
of
tripping?
milk.
Oh.
This is like almost like a cream. Lauren has she doesn't taste so good right now.
I don't taste so good right now.
No.
No, I do not have corona, but no to being healthy as well. That's not reality for me right now.
Alright, my presentation, still average looking, 7. Tastes, I liked it, it's pretty good, kind of creamy. It's almost like melted whatever they make Dairy Queen soft serve out of. That's not really milk. I liked it. And overall milk impersonation, similar flavor, so 8. Lauren didn't care for it. What you got?
I'm gonna be dramatic. I really did not like this. It was fine. It's very, I guess, it's literally milky, but I'm not a fan really of just milk by itself. I am not. This bitch, he will just like
Soy.
drink a glass of milk, just like
With steak.
That's so gross and so not kosher. Opposite kosher. Presentation. I'll give it to 6 because it's yellow and the other one was more pretty. Not that it matters. Taste, probably like a 7. It tastes fine. It doesn't really taste like anything, but for me it's all about the aftertaste and the and I have a lot of that. I'm a loogie man right now.
Yummy.
Yeah.
Alright.
What's next, Coach?
Next, I shall reach behind me and... Simply almond.
Ooh.
A lot of us are familiar with Simply juices, or like Simply orange, and there's I think apple, but apparently
And
they
lemonade.
also do almond milk.
I didn't know they did almond milk. And for this one, I'm curious to see whether
Shake well.
it's the package that's white or if it's the stuff inside
Oh, yeah.
that's white.
Yeah, it looks like the stuff. Okay.
That's right.
This one is pretty like standard white. This is almond milk. People get this as an alternative a lot in coffees, right?
Oh yeah, this is the whitest one we've had so far. Cheers,
All right.
Mel.
Cheers for almond.
This is the least sweet of all the ones that we've had.
That tastes like liquid almonds.
Well, I can't taste, so I believe him.
Hmm.
I can tell that it's not sweet.
It tastes much less like milk than the soy one did. Hello.
Don't forget magnets.
Oh, with the steaks?
And raw jelly beans.
Mm-hmm.
You literally like milk steak. That's so truly.
8, 5, 4.
Points don't matter, but they're there anyways.
Almond milk, bleh. Your turn to reach behind you.
Ooh, wait, my turn.
What do we got? Oat milk.
Oat milk.
This is what you bathe in when you have
If you're a
chicken
couture
pox,
cow,
right?
it's oat milk. Haute couture. Ooh, this one's very yellow. I think
This one is
this
kind
is the
of
one
gray.
that I watched JWoww make. She does like Instagram lives and she like makes cool shit that she feeds to her kids because she's like
Kind of
one
grayish.
of those organic vegan moms, which shout out to that, good for her.
Okay. Ooh. Try to describe that. It's
It's a little chalky.
a little
bit dry.
chalky.
She's kind of dry.
It's
Oh wait, I
like
forgot
a-
to show off.
blended oatmeal cookie that is dissolved in milk, kind of. It's got its own distinct flavor.
Would it be something that you would just drink of your own volition? Would you just be like,
The taste is
thirsty.
fine. So taste is it's 8. It's pretty tasty, but it looks not that appealing. So 6 on presentation, and it is not really that much like milk. So 6 on milkiness as well. Final score.
I say 5, 6, and 4. It's okay. It doesn't make me phlegmy, which I like. Okay, who's next, Connor?
Alright, we are going to try coconut milk.
Ooh.
Coconut.
Wow. Straight from the coconut's nipple. I've had coconut milk before. Gotta admit that I did not enjoy it the first time, but I'm hoping I enjoy it more. How they say that your taste buds change every 7 years or so, like your whole
Did
body's.
they say that?
Yeah.
I guess taste change.
Yeah, I woke up like a couple months ago and I liked dark chocolate. I've never liked dark chocolate ever before.
So this one kind of is much whiter.
Ooh, this is like white out white. Like
Very
this
white.
is, whew, she's white. She's white.
Smells like coconut.
She's Taylor Swift white.
Sour.
I like it.
The coconut really pulls through. It's got that sort of soury tang to it. It's almost like really, really watery coconut yogurt.
It's good. I like it. That's a yes for me, dog.
Okay.
It's very good. For me, it's like, I don't think it's sour. I feel like it's, I guess, I don't know. I like tart but sweet things. And
It
it's,
looks good. It looks very white.
it's pretty tart. I like it.
Presentation 9 because it's nice and clean and white. Taste 7 because it's good, but it's not. Well, that's the next category. It's okay. It's a pleasing drink. Milkiness, kind of, but not really. I don't know.
Thoroughly enjoyed it.
We have 2 left. We have a second almond milk, different brand, and we have rice milk.
Ooh, nice milk.
Rice Dream, Rice Dream. We all scream for Rice Dream.
To the cameras. Ooh, wow. Alright, time for some ice drink. So
No.
what's your first impression of this, Connor?
This one,
How's she look?
color is okay. It looks kind of watery.
Ooh, she's so watery.
Like it's still completely opaque like milk, but somehow more translucently opaque.
Alright, bottoms up.
It's not bad. It's clean. A little sweet. I think, did I get the vanilla kind?
It tastes like water to me. I can't taste a goddamn thing.
It's not, it feels like water, but it's a little sweet, and it's not actually the sweetened vanilla kind. It's just, I guess, rice milk is naturally sweet. So, presentation 8. Taste 9. I like it. It's kind of sweet. It's pretty good. Not too terrible. 8.
I ranked everything lower because I can't taste it.
She's failing.
I
She's
can't.
thinking.
Alright, I can't help it.
Uno mas. We have. Gonna get a nice almond breeze.
Que delicioso. Straight from the almond's nickel. Nipple.
Nickel.
Nickel.
The almond's nickel.
Yes. Way sweeter than the last couple of ones we've had.
Cool. Yes, I
A
agree.
lot
That
sweeter.
one's sort of like melted cream. So the Simply almond, the Simply we got the unsweetened version,
Ooh, she's unsweet.
but the
Yeah, this one has zero
almond
sugar.
breeze is with vanilla and other natural flavors. Wow.
13 grams of sugar in this one per
Wow.
serving. This one has 0 grams.
I love sugar. So
Significantly different. I gotta agree there.
presentation, it's vaguely brown white.
I think it's kind of good. It's alright.
Presentation is fine. 7. Taste, good taste because it's got sugar and milkiness, more like milk than the Simply almond. 798. Tasted all 7. Thanks for sticking with us if you've been around.
What's your favorite?
Favorites. Let's go best and worst. Least favorite. Didn't care for the Simply almond.
She's okay.
Oat.
I did not care for this one
That
because
one
she was
was
a bit
fine.
chalky. It's okay. It'd be like that.
The best ones. I really enjoyed the soy milk
I did not.
and the vanilla almond, the last one. So
It's okay.
these were the 2 that tickled my taste buds the best.
I still like her. I think she's so good.
They melted for Chuck.
I didn't know that flax milk existed, and now here I am.
So there we go. We tasted milk alternatives. Yay! This has been the Taste Olympics.
The Taste Olympics. The mascot is here. He says, "Thank you for joining me. This is Simon P. Bunn. He is a wabbit and he's very tired. Oh,
He's violent though.
he's a violent baby. Oh, I'm being attacked. Okay.
Alright, we gotta sign off.
We're gonna go now before
Attacked.
I get devoured by my creature. Oh, give me kisses. Give me
Thanks for
kisses.
tuning in. Bye.
Okay, bye. I'm Gordon, he's Ramsey. Together, we're an asshole.
Where's the lamb sauce?
The lamb sauce.